Okay guys, in today's video we are going to be setting up a valve lash on a Briggs and Stratton Raptor 3 racing engine. Okay guys, we are now going to roll over the engine so we can get a compression stroke. It is right now open and now it's closing. And now this is open. The piston is coming up. So now that we have the piston up, okay guys, we are now set to measure our valve flash. Okay guys, we are now going to measure the intake valve flash. It should be 3,000 to 6,000 of an inch. And I hope I said that correctly. We have 4,000. Okay guys, our intake measures 4,000 of an inch. I forgot. Okay guys, we are now going to measure the exhaust. It should be 9,000 to 11,000. I said that correctly again. Okay guys, it looks like we're out of spec in our exhaust valve, so it looks like we're going to need a new one. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later on in the future there will be an episode 2 on this.